In this video, we are going to show you how to install this 4K dual dashcam provided by Cievie for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. You have a 1.5-inch IPS screen. Here you have your LED status indicator. On one side you have your function button and your power button. On the other side you have your AV port where you'll plug in your rear camera. You have your Type-C port in which you will plug in your power supply. Your reset button. Your micro SD card slot which supports up to 256 gigs. They do include a 64 gig micro SD card. Up on top you have your adhesive with your removable mounting bracket. Your 290-degree rotatable front camera which records at 4K with a wide-angle view of 170 degrees. Your rear camera which is rotatable by 360 degrees which records at 1080p with a wide-angle view of 150 degrees. Your rear camera cable, your Type-C 12-volt power adapter, a couple of electrostatic films, a couple of extra adhesives, your trim pry tool, a few cable management clips, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Then I want to locate my rear camera here. I want to run and hide the wires through this loom here to make it a nice and clean install. So we take your included trim pry tool. We're going to go ahead and pry this panel out. Then we remove these two with the included pry tool. Then we pull your weather strip up. Then we have a little access to this loom here. Okay, then I'm gonna try and open this up. Just like that. And try and feed your camera cable through. Then we go ahead and remove this bottom portion too. Then to make things easier, we want to remove this white piece here. All four corners, you want to just get your trim tool, push it in, push this side in, and then pull up. Push the side in and pull up. Hold it up and then push the other side in and pull up. Then we take your rear camera cable. We're gonna go under here and try and fish it through. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, we can fish it inside here. Then we want to fish this wire in here and then connect the rear camera. Alright, so that's the hardest part, kind of fishing this wire through this rubber loom. Now we can go ahead and snug everything tight, snap this white plastic back into place, put the rubber back into place, make sure your dash cam is connected. Okay, the wire is hiding. Make sure this grommet is nice and snug so that water doesn't get in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mount the camera. Mount the camera right here. Okay, we remove the protective covering. Make sure your camera is nice and straight. Go ahead and press firmly. Hide the excess wire. Then we can go ahead and put the trim back in place. Okay, and then I just pre-wired the cable all the way to the front. You can see there. Just so I can determine how much excess wire I have. That way, I can hide all the excess under this panel here. Now let's start cleaning up the wiring. All your excess wire. We go ahead and snap these back into place. Then you keep using your trim tool to hide the wiring, pushing it down into all the panels. Here's the rear camera cable, tucked in nicely, hidden under the headliner. Then we go ahead and mount your dash cam. Make sure it's nice and straight, and then press firmly. Then we go ahead and connect your rear camera. Then we go ahead and connect your power supply. But for this camera here, I have this power adapter here, which has the availability to have 24-hour parking surveillance. If you're interested in a product like this, I'm gonna leave the product link in the description below. You just get a short USB-C cable, plug it into your power supply, then plug the other end to your dash cam. That's how it looks connected, and you're ready to go. Now let's go ahead and start up the vehicle.
Start recording.
Then we want to hit add camera. Hit OK. Follow the instructions. Connect to Wi-Fi. Locate your dash cam. Your default password is 12345678. Hit connect. And now we have your live view. On the left side here, we can switch cameras. This is your rear camera. As you can see, it's upside down. We're going to go to your camera settings, and we're going to go ahead and correct this. On your bottom right is your camera settings.
Stop recording.
Your first one is your sound recording. You have the option to turn that on or off. You can adjust your speaker volume, video resolution, 4K and FHD on the back. You can record 2.5K or both 1080p. You have loop recording duration. You have the option to set it to 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute intervals. You have your light source frequency depending on what country you're in. You can have time watermark on the video, turn that on or off. This is where you flip your camera left and right if you want to mirror it. flip it upside down. So right below this status light is rear flip. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. As you can see, it is now corrected. Right above that rear flip is your status light. That's your indicator light on the camera. You can turn that on or off. And you can also have your front rotation. You can turn that off or on. Here we have your collision sensing. Right now set to medium. You can set it to high or low. Collision sensing is your accelerometer, which detects shocks or collisions. When this is triggered, it locks the current video file. You have your automatic screen off time. This is your screensaver. You can have that off, have it shut off in 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 3 minutes. You can change your date format. You have the option for 24 or 12-hour clock. You can turn on and off your 5G Wi-Fi. Here is your Wi-Fi name. You can change your Wi-Fi password. You can check which firmware version you have. You can format your SD card, and you can reset to factory settings. On the bottom left is where all your video files are located. You can select a file, and you can download, take a screenshot, or delete the files from here.
If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.